Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 2 from exercise 9.6 and the topic of this exercise is solving trigonometric equations. What I told you, solving trigonometric equations means we have to find the values of angles under the given domain. So before I start question number 3, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lectures first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise. Then after watching previous lecture of this exercise, you will have a good command on this topic. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is solve each of these equations for 0 to 180 degree. The domain is given from x. The domain of x means angle is given from 0 to 180 degrees. It means our answer of each and every part of this question should be between this domain. This answer should not beyond 180 degrees and should not less than 0 degrees. Let's start part A. Part A is sin 2x is equals to 0.8. But now see carefully from part A to part H. In each and every part, the value is given 2x and our domain is given in x. So if we convert this x, the middle one, to 2x, we should multiply whole domain by 2. Multiply by 2. So 0 multiply by 2 less than equals to x multiply by 2 less than equals to 180 degrees multiply by 2. 0 multiply by 2 is 0 because something multiplied by 0 is always 0. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. 180 degrees multiplied by 2 is 360 degrees. Now our domain, our required domain is from 0 to 360 degrees because in each and every part the angle is given. What is angle? Angle are those which are written after trigonometric functions. So you can see from part A to part H, each and every trigonometric functions has double of the angle. So now we are able to do part A to part H. Come to the question. Sin 2x is equals to 0.8, which is positive. And you know sine is positive in first and in second quadrant. So first we have to find 2x is equals to sine inverse 0.8. Use calculator. The answer is 0.93. Answer is 0.93. 93. But you know sine is also positive in second quadrant. So we must subtract this 0.93. Kindly wait, I want to check that my calculator is not in radians. Sorry, my calculator was in radian mode and the question is related to degrees. Now after converting my calculator in degrees mode, my answer of sine inverse 0.8 is 53.1. And because sine is also positive in second quadrant as well, so we have to subtract this 53.1 from 180. Now 53.1 and 180 minus 53.1 is 126.9. But students, this is not our final answer. We should divide both the angles by 2 because we need the value of x, not 2x. So x is equals to 53.1 upon 2 comma 126.9 upon 2, and the final answer is x is equals to 53.1 divided by 2 is 26.6. And 126.9 divided by 2 is 63.4. And this is our final answer. And you can check both the answers are in our given limit of x, that is from 0 to 180 degrees. You can see. So I hope you completely understand that if we have an other angle except x, so first we have to convert the given domain in terms of 2x, multiply by 2 throughout the domain, and then find the values of all angles from 0 to 360 degrees, and finally divide each and every angle by 2. Come to part B. Part B is cos 2x is equals to minus 0.6, and you know cos is negative in second and in third quadrant. You must remember where the given values of the trigonometric function lies. If you don't remember, you will unable to find the correct solution. Now find cos inverse of minus 0.6, which is equals to 126.9. And 126.9 means this value is already lies in second quadrant. So no need to find the value of the second quadrant. This is our answer. Now in order to find the value in third quadrant, we should find the basic angle. How to find the basic angle? Subtract 180 minus 126.9. So 180 minus 126.9 is 53.13. Therefore, our first angle is 126.9 and our second angle should be 180 plus 53.13, because whenever we find the value in third quadrant, we must add basic angle in 180. So 126.9, 2x is equals to 126.9 and 180 plus 53.13 is 233.13. But you know, this is not our final answer. Now we have to divide each and every angle by 2, because we need the value of x, not 2x upon 2, and 233.13 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equals to first value is 63.4 and second value is 116.6 after rounding off, 116.6, and you can see our final answer lies in the given domain, that is from 0 to 180 degrees. I hope you completely understand part B. Come to part C. What is part C? Tan 2x is equals to 2. You know, tan is positive in first and in third quadrant. So first angle must be less than 90 and the second angle should be greater than 180 and less than 270. Now 2x is equals to tan inverse 2. Tan inverse 2 is 63.4, and the second value must be 180 plus 63.4. What is the answer? Answer is 243.4. Hence, we should divide both values by 2. The first answer is 31.7 and the second answer is 121.7. And again I would repeat that both the answer lies in our given domain, which is from 0 to 180 degrees. Come to part D. Sine 2x is equals to minus 0.6. You know, sine is negative in third and in fourth quadrant. So first angle must be from which is greater than 180 and less than 270, and the second angle should be greater than 270 and less than 360s. So 2x is equals to sine inverse minus 0.6. With the help of calculator, find the value. The answer is minus 36.86. But negative angle is not our requirement because the given domain is only positive from 0 to 180. So we consider that this value is positive. That is the definition of basic angle. So when we have negative angle, we should convert it into positive. Now, sine is negative in third quadrant, so 180 plus 36.86. This is the angle in third quadrant, and for fourth quadrant, this angle should be subtracted. Hence, 2x is equals to 216.86 and 360 minus 36.86. 323.14. And finally, we should divide both the values by 2. Both the values by 2. So 216.8 by 2 108.4. I am doing this work with my scientific calculator, and 323.14 divided by 2 is 161.6 after rounding off. This is our final answer of part D, and you can check both the answers are lies in our given domain. So the main point of this question to convert the given domain into our required domain, because each and every trigonometric function has 2x angle, so we multiply the given domain, the whole domain, by 2. Come to part E. 5 cos 2x is equals to 4. Then cos 2x is equals to 4 upon 5. And you know this value is positive. Cos is positive in first and in fourth quadrant. So 2x is equals to cos inverse 4 upon 5. Cos inverse 4 upon 5 is 36.86. And for fourth quadrant, we should subtract this value from 360. (360 minus 36.86 is 323.14. 323.14. And now we should divide both the values by 2. So x is equals to 36.86 divided by 2 is 18.4. And 323.14 divided by 2 161.6. And this is our final answer. You can check both the answers lies in our given domain. Come to part F. Part F is 7 sine 2x is equals to minus 2. Sine 2x is equals to minus 2 upon 7. And you know sine is negative, and sine is negative in third and in fourth quadrant. So first angle must be greater than 180 less than 270, and the second angle should be greater than 270 and less than 360. So 2x is equals to sine inverse minus 2 upon 7. 2x is equals to sine inverse minus 2 upon 7 is minus 16.6. And because we are working only positive angles, so we should consider this angle is positive. And now we need the angle in third and in fourth quadrant. So we should add for third quadrant this value in 180, and we should subtract for fourth quadrant this value from 360. Hence 2x is equals to 180 plus 16.6 is 196.6. And 360 minus 16.6 is 343.4. Now divide both the values by 2. (196.6) divided by 2 is 98.3. And 343.4 divided by 2 is 171.7. And you can check both the values lies in our given domain. This is our final answer. So hope you completely understand part F. Come to question number part G. Part G is 1 plus 3 tan 2x is equals to 0. Then 3 tan 2x is equals to minus 1. Tan 2x is equals to minus 1 upon 3. And you know tan is negative in second and in fourth quadrant. So first we have to find 2x is equals to tan inverse minus 1 upon 3. Find with the help of your calculator. The answer is minus 18.43. And because we are working in positive angles only, so we should consider this positive. And now for second quadrant, this value should subtract from 180 degrees, and for fourth quadrant this value should be subtract from 360 degrees. So 2x is equals to 180 minus 18.43 is 161.56. And 360 minus 18.43 is 341.57. And now divide both the values by 2. One 161.56 divided by 2 80.8. And 314.57 divided by 2 170.8 after rounding off. This is our final answer. So hope you completely understand this part as well. Move to last part, part H. So you can see how easy these questions are. Just convert the domain into given angle and do the work. Part H is 2 minus 3 sine 2x is equals to 0. Then 2 is equals to minus, convert it into plus. Then sine 2x is equals to 2 upon 3. This is positive, and sine is positive in first and in second quadrant. So 2x is equals to sine inverse 2 upon 3, which is equals to 41.8 and sine is positive in second quadrant as well. So this value should be subtract from 180 degrees. -180 minus 41.81 138.2. And this value, both values should divide by 2. (41.81) divided by 2 is 20.9 after rounding off. And 138.2 divided by 2 is 69.1 after rounding off. So hope you understand this part as well. So in each and every part of question number 3, it is given double angle. So for double angle, we should double the given domain. But if the question is also given in 2x form, so no need to do more work. I hope you completely understand. This is our today's class. What is left? A very important question according to examination point of view. Question number 4. But very important doesn't means very difficult, very easy question. You will be witness of question number 4 and you will be saying that how easy question number 4 is. I promise you, don't worry, these questions are very easy and I will try to complete the whole question 4 in a single lecture, that is in next lecture. So I will try to complete as well the whole exercise within 2 to 3 lectures. So this is what we have done today. Students, if you are liking my videos and if you think that my videos are helping you, kindly do subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many students as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.